Hi guys, my name is Sebastian. I'm 30 years old from Sweden. It's now been about 11 months since I did my procedure at Clinicana, and honestly, I've never been more happy with my hair. It's not even the final result yet, but I still feel from almost on a weekly basis the more hair keeps coming up. And really, this is not what it looked like a year ago. From the start, when you reach out to Clinicana, I got first in contact with them because I saw they had a lot of great reviews online. And once you reach out to them, you feel the reason why. They did professionalism from start to end. They're quick to answer your questions, they do it well, and you're getting the feeling they do it not just for their own profit only, but they want to make sure you are the most happy with the results. When you get to Turkey, they pick you up at the airport, they drive you to the hotel, they drive you to the clinic, which is right behind the hotel. And the clinic is really high-end, even if you're coming from a Swedish hospital standard. The doctors, the technicians, everything, they take really great care of you from beginning to the end. And if I can only give you one advice is, if you're thinking about this, if you're considering it, then just go for it. Really, it's been one of the best decisions I've ever made. Alright guys, thank you so much and good luck.